Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by choosing a wired connection method for your Razer headset. Use a USB-A port for USB models or a 3.5mm jack for analog headsets. If you use a 3.5mm cable, plug into the combined audio and mic jack on the laptop or controller. If your headset uses USB, connect to a powered USB port and wait for automatic driver installation. If prompted, choose the Razer device as the default playback and recording device in sound settings. Confirm headset volume and mic level before launching audio or games. For wireless Razer headsets, decide between Bluetooth and the Razer dongle. Plug the wireless dongle into a USB-A port and power on the headset to enter pairing mode. For Bluetooth, open your device Bluetooth settings and select the headset name displayed. Install Razer Synapse software on Windows to manage EQ, mic gain, and RGB lighting. Use Synapse to check and apply firmware updates when available. Charge the headset fully before long sessions to avoid interruptions during pairing or updates. Connecting to consoles and phones requires different steps for full functionality. On PS4 and PS5, connect using the 3.5mm jack or use the Razer USB dongle for chat and game mix. Xbox consoles may only support chat audio through a 3.5mm connection on compatible controllers. For mobile phones, pair via Bluetooth or plug the 3.5mm cable directly into the headphone jack or adapter. If you encounter problems, set the headset as the default input. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.